Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, and today we will see how we can use VPN on school Chromebook. So for that you will need these links. I will be providing these links in the description so you can copy and paste these links on the address bar. So first we will need this second link. Just copy it and paste it over in the address bar, and this is where it will take you. Just download this file and follow the next step. So for that, open up new tab, and in the new tab you need to copy this first one and paste it over in the new tab in the search bar, and after that just click enter. Then a new page will appear, and all you have to do is just import the file that we have just downloaded in the previous step. You will be able to see an option of import ONC file in the bottom left corner. Just click on that and import the file from your download section where you have downloaded the file that I have mentioned in the previous step. And after that, just click on the time on the bottom right corner of your screen, and you will be able to see an option of VPN. Just click on that option, and after that you will be able to see Haven VPN. Just click on your settings, and then you will be able to connect to your VPN. So you will be able to bypass most of the websites using this method, and that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.